South Africa, Mzansi, land of the strong and brave. Many challenges have come our way, and past them we have risen. These recent events are no different. It needs us to heed the call of unity, to support one another, to support local small businesses, and to carry forth our strong belief that together we are one. Let's start rebuilding, brick by brick, hand in hand. It's only when we do it together that we will move forward much quicker and further. Commitment in the face of adversity, dedication to a cause is enough to drive hope, to drive prosperity that builds resilience. Let's start rebuilding. We will not do it in one day, but we need to start now. Flutterwave, simplifying payments for endless possibilities.